usually we do in this chapter as a misconception. ठीक है? So just a minute. बहुत आगे है ये. The thing is, it is written here that a plus b. Okay. When suppose there are two variable and it is written here to add both, generally it's not for my class. I am not talking about my class. But generally बच्चे क्या करते हैं? They think that ये अलग है, so they add it and they write it AB. But it is absolutely wrong, beta. This is unlike terms. This is different. This is different. So they cannot be added. They cannot be written together also. They will be written in this situation only. Okay. So remember, they can't be added together. Is it fine? This misconception is there with you or not? Tell
Yes.
me, this misconception is there with you or not? Yes or no? Do you feel so? Will you do that?
No, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Now moving ahead with the next thing, which was discussed by me many of a times to you, that suppose you have any two numbers, like if I'm talking about suppose area only of any figure, an area of rectangle, suppose it's L into B, and आपको L दिया हुआ है x plus 4, ठीक है? और breadth दिया है suppose 3, ठीक है? Breadth दिया है suppose 3, and you have to multiply both the numbers or both the expression you have to multiply. So you put the sign here without putting any bracket. बेटा रिमेंबर, जब भी कभी हमारे पास कोई भी एक्सप्रेशन हो उसमें वैल्यूज दो हो, ठीक है, दो से ज्यादा हो, तो हम हमेशा बेटा ब्रैकेट पुट करना नहीं भूलना चाहिए. बिकॉज इफ यू विल नॉट पुट ब्रैकेट, यू विल राइट डाउन आंसर लाइक x plus 12, which is completely wrong. Okay, so remember one thing, that if you are having this type of question, x plus 4 are related to two terms, or we can call it binomial. In that situation, first put the bracket to binomial term, because another term is a single term, or you can call it monomial term. So when you are multiplying this one, तो सबसे पहले क्या होगा, यहाँ पर यूज होगा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी, दैट इज चंगू मंगू समोसा चटनी, ठीक है? तो इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा. So 3 will be multiplied with x, it will give you 3x. फिर plus will written plus only, then 4 will be multiplied with 3 again, so it will give you 12. Answer would not be only x plus 12. The answer would be 3x plus 12. ठीक है? So remember, this is misconception. वो पुराना वाला तो I don't know कि कितने लोग करते हैं, but ये वाला generally करते हैं. ठीक है? पुराना वाला तो I know that there are few students that they do it or not do it. ठीक है? But remember, ये वाला जो problem है, which I have written just now on your board, that is done by most of the students. ठीक है? So beta, remember, don't do this kind of misconception. Don't keep any such kind of misconception in your mind. ठीक है? Should we discuss now the comet part? Should we start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now we are going to discuss the questions related to comet. This was misconception, so I have removed it now. Now question number 1, choose the correct option. The first one is
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming.
Ma'am, it's coming.
Ma'am, it is buzzing. Ma'am, it is not
It is?
coming. It is coming very slowly.
Ma'am, it's clearly audible.
Beta, I am audible to everyone. That is why they are replying, Kshitij, है ना? If you are feeling so that it is creating any problem or it is coming slow, just please see the recording after the class. ठीक है? After the class, see the recording. It will help you. Kshitij, are you getting? अभी only you understand, beta. ठीक है? अभी only you understand. And after the class, just see the recording. You will get it everything. चलो. Now moving ahead with the comet work, question number 1. A is 2 years younger than B. जो A है वो 2 साल छोटा है, मतलब A is 2 years younger. ठीक है? Younger than B. ठीक है? मतलब A जो है वो B से छोटा हुआ. Now it is telling if B is X years, मतलब B जो है अगर वो X साल का हो, X year का हो, तो A जो होगा वो कितना होगा? Now you only tell me. Think.
X minus 2.
Minus 2.
Absolutely. Because the code, yes, absolutely correct, beta. Because it is talking about that if it will be now, if it is x, then a will be x minus 2. Okay, now question is telling how old was a? How old was a 4 years ago? Now it is asking 4 years ago. देखो ये 2 years से अंदर है. Now you tell me what will be 4 years ago.
Ma'am,
Think.
Ma'am, with minus
Think
six.
and
Ma'am,
explain it.
ma'am, option D. Ma'am, x minus 6.
Now, yes, absolutely correct. It will be option D. Now, let me tell you why it is option D, beta. Suppose किसी भी person की age, अगर मैं अपनी age की बात करूँ, suppose मेरी age 25 है, just suppose, suppose it's my age is 25. So if I'm talking about my age 2 years ago, I'll minus 2, it will be 23. If I am asking my age 4 years ago, तो present वाली age से 4 minus कर दिया, then you will get it this. So the same manner, आपके पास a की जो age है वो x minus 2 है, ठीक है? और आपको चाहिए 4 years पहले की, तो यहाँ पर -4 कर दिया आपने. तो x तो वैसा का वैसा रहेगा, उसको कुछ कर नहीं सकते अपन. ये हो जाएगा -2 minus 4 will give you x minus 6. So remember the option for this one or the answer for this one will be x minus 6. This is first MCQ. ठीक है? Now moving ahead with the next question. A polynomial has 1 term, 2 term, 3 term or all of these. Answer should be all of these. Because polynomial it is written, it is not specifying any monomial, binomial, trinomial or quadrinomial or whatsoever it is. है ना? It is only writing that polynomial has how many terms. तो polynomial के बेटा सारे examples होते हैं. Monomial भी polynomial होता है, binomial भी polynomial होता है, trinomial भी polynomial होता है, ठीक है? So polynomial, if it is specified, then we can write number of term, but it is not specified here. अरे यार ये बार बार हिल जा रहा है. If it is not specified here, it means the answer would be all of these. Yes, absolutely. The answer would be all of these. So now, have you understood this one? Why option is all of these? Should we move ahead with the third MCQ? Third MCQ says that what will be the value? This is B1, I believe. No, third one, sorry, second one. And the first one was x minus 6. Now moving ahead with the third one. Third one, it is telling here the value of 3x square minus 5x plus 3. And you have to find out its value when you have x is equals to 1. So x is equals to 1 means this is 1 square, this will be 5 into 1, this is plus 3. So जब आप इसको solve करोगे, it will give you only 3. इसको solve करोगे, it will give you only 3 and 5 and this is plus 3. ठीक है? So we have 3 और 3 मिलाकर हो गया 6 minus 5, answer would be 1. So your option of this one will be A. A option is 1. Clear? Now moving ahead with the next question, it is talking about question number 4. What is the factors of minus 5x square, y square, z square? Factor y square z it is written, sorry, not z square, it's z. So now remember, when you are talking about factors means you have to break it. You have to break it means it will be minus 5 into x, y into y, and an only simple one, that is z. So this will be the factors for this fourth one. Is it okay now? Anyone has any doubt or confusion in this question number 4?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now moving ahead with the question number 5. It is, see, this question number 5 is taken from last exercise. The question which I am going to do, it is from exercise 4. The question is speaking the 11th number of the pattern whose rule is 7n plus 10. 7n plus 10 is given and it is asking from us that you have to find out the 11th term. 11th term means you have to put the values in place of n, it will be 11. This is plus 10. It will give you 77 plus 10. It will give you 87. Now all the options, option related question, we have done it. So these answers will be there for each question. We have written it now. Is it clear to everyone? I believe this is done to everyone. Hana? This is done. Have you understood or not? Anyone has any confusion in any MCQ or should we move further?
Ma'am,
Will
move
you
further.
Okay. Fine. So now we are moving ahead. I have already taken a screenshot. If you want it, I'll give it to you. Okay. So now moving ahead with the next question, that is question number 2. It is asking here, answer the following question. What should be added? What should be added? Matlab, this is x minus y. What should be added to this one to get, so I'm writing here box, to get 2 upon 2x. ठीक है. अब आपको याद होगा मैंने बताया था अगर आपका ये वाला नंबर मिसिंग है, यहाँ वाला, कि व्हाट शुड बी एडेड, और क्वेश्चन है आपके पास व्हाट शुड बी एडेड, तो आपको कुछ खास नहीं करना है, आपको बस सिंपली उस वाले से उसको माइनस करना है. इट मींस यू हैव टू माइनस 2x माइनस x माइनस y. देखो अब फिर से यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट आ गया. दिस इज कंटेनिंग 2 टर्म्स, तो आप अकेले को ट्रांसफर नहीं कर सकते. यू हैव टू पुट द ब्रैकेट फर्स्ट एंड देन ट्रांसफर इट. So this is box here. Now we are solving it. It will give you 2x. It will open. It will minus x. It will open. It will give you plus y. So 2x में से 1x जाएगा, बचेगा अकेला x, और यहाँ पर आएगा y. So our answer would be x plus y for this question. Now question number, this was first of it, huh? Now question number 2 of this one only asking, find the coefficient of y square. Coefficient of y square in 9ty square. And if you remember, beta, I have already told you that अगर आपको किसी भी चीज का कोफिशिएंट निकालना है तो आप बस उसको छोड़ दो, बाकी जो भी बचा वो उसका कोफिशिएंट है ना. सिर्फ उसको छोड़कर बाकी जो भी बचा that will be the coefficient of it. Now what is left? y square को हमने हटा दिया. What will be left? Only 9t. So the answer of coefficient of this one will be 9t only. Is it clear? Anyone has any doubt into it, or should we move the question to the question number 3?
Move to question number 3.
Okay, let me take a screenshot of your attendance. Okay, so now moving ahead with the next question. This is already done. Question number 3. Now question number 3 says, what is the value of following expression where x की value दी हुई है -3 and the expression is 3x square minus 4x minus 7. Now you have to put the value x is equals to -3. So I am putting it here, -3 का whole square. Now 4 into -3 and -7. Beta, remember one thing very properly. When you have the value in minus and you have to put, okay, when you have to put that, so remember, please put it inside the bracket. Okay, when you have any value in negative, always try to put in the bracket, which will not make your question wrong in any stage. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर 3 आएगा. आप देखो यहाँ पर -3 का स्क्वायर है, तो -3 का स्क्वायर मतलब -3 into -3, which will give you +9. So I have put directly 9. ठीक है. Now this minus and this minus will be multiplied together, will give you plus, and 4 into 3 will give you here 12. Then that is the last one, that is -7, which will not be written here solved. Now moving ahead. अब इन दोनों को ऐड नहीं करना है, हम बॉड मास सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ना, तो ये पहले ये दोनों सॉल्व होंगे. 3 into 9 will give you 27, फिर +12 and then -7. Now let us solve it. It will give you here 39 -7, which will give you here 32. So the answer would be 32. I hope this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Beta, don't note it down. If you are doing it along with me, then very fine. Answer match करते चलिए. Or if you are noting it down from my side, then do one thing. Wait for screenshot. ठीक है? Because I am already taking all the screenshots which I will share in your group. So उस समय directly note down कर लीजिएगा. ठीक है? Now I am moving to question number 4. Question number 4 says, it is just kind of a question which we have done in exercise 3. Subtract the sum of 2 expressions are given from the sum of 2 expressions are given. ठीक है? बिल्कुल वैसा ही क्वेश्चन हुआ जो हम लोग ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, दो शुरू के एक्सप्रेशन लेते हैं, यहाँ पे भी दो लेते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये हमने इसको पहले डिवाइड कर दिया और यहाँ पे लिया माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर एंड दिस इज प्लस 3xy एंड दिस इज प्लस वाई स्क्वायर एंड इसके साथ वाला एक्सप्रेशन है 4x स्क्वायर रख लिया, माइनस 3y स्क्वायर यहाँ रख लिया एंड प्लस 4xy यहाँ रख लिया, ठीक है। आई हैव अरेंज्ड इट। एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट नेक्स्ट साइड में बारे में बात कर रहा है आपके पास सम 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 6y स्क्वायर plus 4xy. I have written it now 4xy. Now next is written here in this one only minus x square. तो रख दिया minus x square minus 2xy. तो इसके नीचे रख दिया लाइक सम अरेंज करके and minus y square. तो ये minus y square इसके नीचे आ गया, ठीक है। इस अभी तक में कोई प्रॉब्लम इस वाले क्वेश्चन में? I have only arranged it. I have not done anything. ठीक है, I have only arranged it. जो नंबर जिसके नीचे आएगा वो मैंने लिख दिया लाइक टर्म के फॉर्म में because I don't have much space for writing so much of things. So I have taken it in the form of like terms only. अब देखो यहाँ पे this is 4x square and this is 1 minus में x square. It will give you 3x square. जब आप सॉल्व करोगे तो, ठीक है। Now this is 4xy, this is 3xy. जब ऐड होगा तो it will give you 7xy. Now this is minus 3y square, this plus y square. So it will give you minus 2y square. It means this is the solution for this one. Now moving ahead that side, minus 3x square minus x square. It will give you minus 4x square. Now minus 6y square, this is minus y square. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है मतलब 1. So it will give you minus 7y square. Now that side, plus 4 minus 2. It will give you plus 2xy. Anyone has any doubt till here? If you have, please raise your hand. I will clear it. If you have any difficulty.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Ma'am, no doubt.
Okay, fine. Okay, बेटा। अब देखो क्वेश्चन में जो नेक्स्ट लाइन वो बोल रहा है वो ये कह रहा है कि आपको ये सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है इस वाले से, ठीक है। इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन मतलब वी हैव टू टेक दिस वन फर्स्ट। सो आई एम टेकिंग दिस वन फर्स्ट and after taking this one first it is telling you to subtract. तो आएगा साइन यहाँ पे माइनस का and the next one will be this 3x square plus 7xy minus 2y square, ठीक है। अब जब आप सॉल्व करेंगे now let's see what to do. Now let us open the bracket. Minus 4x square will be here, minus 7y square will be here, plus 2xy will be here. Now इस वाले को ब्रैकेट जब आप ओपन करेंगे it will give you minus 3x square. Inside every sign will become change. Why? Because we are solving the minus is outside the bracket, ठीक है। तो ये plus 3x square था, ये हो गया माइनस, ये plus 7xy था, it will give you minus 7xy and it was minus 2y square, it will give you plus 2y square. ठीक है, पूरा चेंज कर दिया। नाउ लेट्स फाइंड आउट द फाइनल आंसर। इट्स माइनस 4x स्क्वायर एंड दिस इज माइनस 3x स्क्वायर। दोनों सॉल्व होंगे तो आ जाएगा माइनस 7x स्क्वायर, ठीक है। फिर यहाँ पर है माइनस 7y स्क्वायर और यहाँ पर है प्लस 2, तो इट विल गिव यू माइनस 5y स्क्वायर। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, दिस इज प्लस 2xy, दिस इज माइनस 7xy, इट विल गिव यू माइनस 5xy. This is the complete solution for this question. I believe the question was not so tough, but it will take 3 steps to solve it. और अगर ये क्वेश्चन बेटा 3 नंबर का आता है तो याद रखो हर एक स्टेप में आपके 1 नंबर है। पहले वाले एडिशन में 1 नंबर, दूसरे वाले एडिशन में 1 नंबर, वो हो गया तो 2 हो गया, और लास्ट में सब्ट्रैक्शन का 1 नंबर, मतलब टोटल 3 मार्क्स, ठीक है। Now should I move ahead or are you doing something? Because I am already taking screenshots. So if you allow me that I should continue with the next question. Should I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am moving to question number 5. which says us to find out the perimeter. Sides of rectangles are already given here. This type of question also, if you remember, I have discussed in the class and I told you this is important. The sides of rectangle. The sides of rectangle means L and B. I'm writing here for rectangle. Okay. So for rectangle, if you see, length is given here minus 3x plus 2y. And for breadth, it is given here 2x plus 3y. And now question is asking us to find out perimeter. So what will be the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Can anyone tell me? What is the formula?
Ma'am, for rectangle,
L plus B.
2 into L plus B.
2 into length plus breadth. So let us solve it. 2 will be written
1 into
outside,
length
into will be into, and we will have this one because we are talking about two expressions. So bracket लगाना सबसे जरूरी है बेटा, हाँ. Now moving ahead with L. L की वैल्यू रख देते हैं minus 3x plus 2y ब्रैकेट के साथ, ठीक है. Then plus B. तो B की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी हमारे पास 2x plus 3y. ये भी रख दिया हमने और ब्रैकेट को कर दिया क्लोज. Now plus let's open the bracket. So यहाँ minus 3x 2y at let it be like that. It will be 2x plus 3y, let it be like that. ठीक है, इसको ये वाला आ जाएगा short bracket. So now we are writing it minus 3x plus 2x will give you minus x plus 2y plus 3y will give you 5y. ठीक है, inside the bracket only. Don't remove bracket. ठीक है, don't remove bracket. So now at the last, जब हमने पूरा solve कर लिया, then we will remove the bracket. Then how answer will come? 2 with x will give you minus 2x. 2 with 5y, it will give you 10y. So this would be answer here for finding the perimeter for rectangle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Why rest of the students are not speaking? Are they not understanding? Only Rahul is understanding.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा समझ में आ perimeter of square. और दूसरे बारे में बात कर रहा है, that is perimeter of equilateral triangle. ठीक है, I am not writing triangle, I have written it, drawn the triangle only. ठीक है. So the formula for a square everybody knows, that is 4 into side. और equilateral triangle उसी दिन हमें किया था, that is 3 into side. ठीक है, रख दिया. अब now let us put the value 4 into. Now side is already given here 2x plus 3y. Again, don't forget to put the bracket. Again, I am repeating the same process to you and same step to you. Don't forget the bracket. अगर आप bracket forget कर दोगे तो आंसर आएगा आपका 8x plus 3y. बट अगर जब आप ब्रैकेट लगाए रहोगे आपका आंसर डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. 4 2 8x, 4 3 12y. यहाँ पर ये आंसर आएगा. ठीक है. नाउ दिस साइड 3 into साइड की वैल्यू कितनी दी हुई है 4y. तो जब आप सॉल्व करेंगे इट विल गिव यू 12y. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन ओनली इट इज आस्किंग टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस. अब आप खुद से देखो बेटा, बताओ खुद से, ये वाला बड़ा होगा या ये वाला बड़ा होगा, दोनों में से टेल मी. पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर पहले लिखना चाहिए या इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल पहले लिखना चाहिए, खुद से बताइए.
At the first.
Can you describe me why?
Ma'am, because ma'am it has more than one term. Ma'am, I want to say that ma'am it has two term and the perimeter of equilateral triangle has only one term.
Absolutely. तो जब आप सॉल्व करोगे ना तो इसकी वैल्यू ज्यादा आएगी, चाहे भले एक दो ही आए बट ज्यादा आएगी. ठीक है, इसको 2 टर्म है, इसके यहाँ पर सिंगल टर्म है, इसलिए तो यहाँ पर जब सॉल्व करोगे तो इट विल गिव यू 8x plus 12y minus 12y. ठीक है, यहाँ पर बेटा सिंगल टर्म था इसलिए मैंने विदाउट ब्रैकेट लगाया. अगर यहाँ पर डबल टर्म होते तो हम यहाँ पर 2 लिखते. ठीक है, इसलिए याद रखिएगा ब्रैकेट इज वेरी वेरी कंपल्सरी हियर. तो नाउ 8x plus 12y लिख दिया. नाउ ये ओपन होगा तो दिस इज 12y से 12y हो जाएगा कैंसिल, बचेगा अकेला 8x और यहाँ पर लिखेंगे हम यूनिट. आई थिंक नॉट गिवन. अच्छा, गिवन सेंटीमीटर ओनली. So this different 8x is answer. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine. So now we will move ahead with the next thing. Next question is, teacher asked Ayush to think two numbers x and y and told him to perform the following operation. Okay? Now it is asking from us that teacher has instructed 2-3 things and given 2-3 commands to the students and telling them to do. ठीक है? तो शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन से कि टीचर बोलना क्या चाहती है. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 we are discussing now. First it is telling that addition of 5x and 7y. तो सबसे पहले जब इसने बोला होगा ऐड करने के लिए तो एडिशन मींस प्लस. नंबर्स कौन कौन से दिए? एक दिया 5x, एक दिया आपके पास 5x और दूसरा था आपके पास 7y. तो आई हैव रिटन इट हियर 5x plus 7y. Now in second question, the second step it is telling here, just a minute, addition between 5x and 7y that I have already taken, then multiply the sum by 2. Now this is sum. ठीक है? 5x plus 7y. Now it is telling us to find it out the multiplication by 2. So यहाँ पर multiply होगा 2 5x plus 7y. But remember beta that there are two terms. ठीक है? There are two terms. So if you have two terms, you cannot write like open. You have to place the bracket. ठीक है? So it will give you 2 into 5x plus 7y. Now moving ahead, is asking us subtraction of x minus y from the product. Now this is the product. So first let us solve it because it is not written in the complete simplest term. So when you will solve it, it will give you 10x, and when you will multiply this one, it will give you 14y. ठीक है? ये हो गया आपका second step. Now third step is telling us you have to subtract x minus y from the product. So this was our product, है ना, जो हमने solve किया है. This was product. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में हम क्या करेंगे? इसको लेंगे और हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे किसको? x माइनस y को. तो इसको देखो फिर से वही बात आ गई, ब्रैकेट, डोंट फॉरगेट ब्रैकेट. तो x माइनस y. नाउ सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. इट इज 10x plus 14y. ओपन करेंगे ब्रैकेट, ये आ जाएगा माइनस x और वो दे देगा आपको प्लस y. बेटा कितना भी छोटा क्वेश्चन हो और कितना भी बड़ा क्वेश्चन हो सब्ट्रैक्शन का, आप बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा कि आप जब भी जो भी प्रोसेस करेंगे उसमें आपको ये याद रखना है कि यू हैव टू, एक मिनट, लेट मी ओपन द, छोटा नंबर हो कितना भी बड़ा नंबर हो, अगर आप सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं तो बेटा ब्रैकेट का होना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि ब्रैकेट जब ओपन होगा तब साइन चेंज होंगे. अगर ब्रैकेट नहीं लगा होगा तो आप साइन चेंज नहीं करोगे, केवल शुरुआत वाला साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, बाकी साइन आप चेंज नहीं करोगे. दैट इन दैट कंडीशन आंसर विल कम डेफिनेटली रॉन्ग. सो रिमेंबर, डोंट फॉरगेट टू पुट द ब्रैकेट. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व दिस. 10x में से 1x गया तो बचा 9x, 14y और 1y ऐड हुआ तो बच गया, आप ऐड हो गया, आंसर आ गया आपके पास 15y. ये थे आपके आंसर. ठीक है? नाउ इट इज रिटन हियर आयुष परफॉर्म द सॉल्यूशन स्टेप वाइज, जैसे हम लोगों ने किया. ठीक है? Now it is asking, show stepwise that how Ayush performed the above solution. We have done it now. Which moral value is shown by Ayush? Can anyone tell me here? Now please give answer in the chat box. I will request everyone to write answer. याद रहनी चाहिए कि you should always solve anything in the planned way and systematic way, stepwise. When you solve anything stepwise and in a very planned manner, you will never get any complication in between. ठीक है? So this was the main moral value related to this question. ठीक है? So today's homework is COMET homework part. Please do it. And if you face any problem, we will discuss it on Wednesday. ठीक है? And more challenging is also left. That also will be discussed on Wednesday. Fine. So thank you.